Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a video on how to edit the bitmoji with using a computer Windows 10. We will be showing you the necessary steps of what to do. Firstly, you download the app on your phone. Secondly, if you have already downloaded the app, just like I have, you will now enter into your computer Chrome Web Store. You will click on the first option you see, and that will take you there. Now you will see the search options and what you should do. We will now be clicking the search button and typing in bitmoji. You click on the bitmoji app like I have done. I can now remove from the Chrome extension when you are ready. And then the next step that you want to do is to add it to your Chrome extensions. Add extension. The next step is to check if it is working. You will now go into a different application. If you have Google Slides on your computer, I will advise you to use that to check it. Now, I will be using the Google Slides to demonstrate. You have a blank paper here. You start with a fresh sheet and you now will see if it is working. There is a button like a puzzle. There you will see at the top right to your screen. You will see press on it and you will see extensions. Click on the bitmoji if you have already downloaded it on the phone and add the Chrome extensions. You will see all these emojis. You can put anyone on the bitmoji on this. You now put the bitmoji on this, and now we will know if the bitmoji is working. The bitmoji is obviously working for me. Let's hope it worked for you. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. Bye guys.